Hello and welcome to another tutorial session. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add a comment in Docusign. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your Google Chrome browser or any preferred browser of your choice and type in docusign.com. It will lead you to this page, and on this page, you want to log into your Docusign account if you already created one. And if you haven't, please ensure you have your documents ready to sign in on Docusign. Now, next, you want to head over to your Docusign account already logged in. So this is what my platform looks like. Now, to add a comment in Docusign, you want to work with a particular template, or you would want to create your own documents that you would want to work with. So to create one, you just click on the start button. But if I want to work with this particular template, I'll just pick the preferred template I want to work with and click on that. All right, so this is the template I want to work with to show you how to add a comment in Docusign. In a few minutes, you would see that your template will load up on your screen. Now, this is my template. Having added that, I'll add the recipients I want to work with. As usual, you do not have to leave these fields empty. Now, after doing that, I will add the subject and then the message I want to send and click on next. Down here, and it will take me to the next page. Now, on this page, I will show you how to add a comment in Docusign. Now, head over to the top of this page here and you see some icons, and you can see the undo, redo, copy, paste, zoom, and then the last option, add comment. So this is how you add comments. So what you just do is click on that and then head over to where you want to add a comment on your document and then paste it. So in a short moment, you will see that the comment icon is displayed on your screen, and then by your right corner over here where my cursor is, you can see that I can comment or type in this box over here and then click on post. So let's just add the comments there. Hi, and click on post. My comments will be added to my document. All right, as you can see, that comment has been added. So if I want to add much more comments, I'll just click on this comment icon, simple add comments, and then click on where I want it to appear in the document and then add my comment. So this is a simple and straightforward way you can add a comment in Docusign. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it was enlightening for you and you've learned how to add a comment in Docusign. Until next time, bye for now.